Um, this is a Dom IX Saturn. I'm going to try to get into it, and if I can, I'll explain a little bit more about the lock, but I have to pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, don't lose it. So now I'm going back and checking for the interactive element. So something not set. Or did I not hit that interactive element? Maybe I didn't hit the interactive element. Figures. All right. Yep. There we go. Cool. Cool. That's open. I just had to go back there and get that interactive element. Okay. So Dom IX Saturn. This has torpedo pins, shark fin pins, and an interactive. So right there at the front, you can see the torpedo pins. So they will go up and they'll get caught. I don't know if you can really see. There we go. Maybe that's better. Let me see something. Let's see if I can get some better light on those. Can you see that in there? Those are those shark fin pins. See how they're like wedged? How they kind of taper down? I've never taken this lock apart, and I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, so that's the Dom IX Saturn.